Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I am here at Electronica 2024 and I'm joined by Arno Kolk from Estonia, the Estonian Trade Association for Electronics.
Yes, we are from Estonian Electronics Industry Association.
Yeah. So tell me a bit about, we're in a world of increasing protectionism, increasing geopolitical unrest, the importance of having good neighbors for Western Europe that can manufacture competitively is becoming even greater. Where is Estonia sitting at the moment in terms of the performance of the industry and its trading partners?
We are part of Europe, so of course all European trends and all global trends, they affect us as everybody else. Said that we see increase in RFQs. People want to really bring production back from wherever it is to Europe. We also see increasing number here at the exhibition. A lot of Chinese distributors are trying to sell the components. We are located next to Russia.
Yeah.
But for our electronics industry, Russia has never been a really big market.
Yeah.
And neither it has been really supply base. So we've been always selling to the West mostly.
Always looking to the West. Yeah,
yes.
Absolutely. And what about we've seen the industry challenge this year in Europe. Typically, we're looking at 15+% decrease on last year. How does that look for Estonia? Is it basically the same trend?
There is slight decrease compared to the last year, although not very big. Of course, 22 especially was an excellent year. It was a boom year. 23 was slightly slower. This year, the summer was quiet. Let's say July was quiet, but it's been picking up ever since. Looking good. The end of the year. Of course, prices have also changed. They were higher at some point, and they're going back to normal. So it's difficult to compare really apple to apple.
Yeah, absolutely. If you look at turnover in terms of revenue, it's one thing, but if you look at turnover in terms of volume, it's quite something different, isn't it?
It is, absolutely, yes. And there is statistics is usually done with some fixed prices 10 years ago that shows one number, and then company books show other numbers.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I completely get and I completely understand that. Estonia still remains competitive. It's a good trading partner, particularly for Germany. Are you seeing new investments coming into the country in terms of not just capacity, but also capability, technology?
Yes, since the capacity is, we still have capacity available at the moment, because compared to the last few years, most factories have extra capacity, so they are not investing much there, but they do invest in technologies. For several reasons, the labor cost has been going up, so it makes sense to automate many things which were not reasonable to do before. Second, a lot of technologies have become cheaper. Cobots, they are pretty cheap nowadays, affordable. Some X-ray equipment, some other stuff. Selective soldering is very popular. So the last traces of hand soldering being replaced with selective soldering machines. So these kind of things. And of course, there is also renewal, because machines, they get old, the new ones are more capable, they consume less power, so there is this green part of it as well, so that to be more efficient, to be more environmentally sustainable. So these investments continue all the time.
Yeah, and is the sustainability side an important factor in Estonia? Is it something that is considered to be a key to the future of the industry?
Absolutely, yes, because customers demand it. We have lots of customers in Northern Europe, Scandinavia, and they are very strict on those things. But also elsewhere, this is really becoming a demand. And we are trying to turn it into competitive edge, that we really do it, not because it's fancy or something, but because
it's a trend, but because it's the right thing to do.
Absolutely, it's the right thing to do, and it also can help to increase competitiveness.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think when you look at Eastern Europe particularly, the door was definitely open with low-cost labour, but to keep that door open and keep trade flowing, there needs to be investment in automation, there needs to be investment in sustainability, and those other factors becoming increasingly important.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. I'm glad to hear things are continuing to move in the right direction. I look forward to another event in Tallinn. They're always such first-class events, and
Thank you. We will have the next year EMS and Beyond seminar on the 5th of December 2025.
Okay.
Everybody is welcome.
Yeah, that's a good time. I think Productronica is a little bit later. We'll maybe get to spend a week in between at the Christmas markets, and then we'll
absolutely
we'll come see you guys in Estonia. Thank you so much.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.